we don't get out now, the return window will close with us stuck here.
Sacrificing the kit is our only choice. We can't tow and dig at the same time. Every gram matters now. The soil is like water, offering zero resistance to the weight.
We have grip, but the motors are overheating from the sheer friction of the dust.
This dragging method consumes too much power. We need a better surface, and fast.
There is a high-velocity wind tunnel ahead that might have cleared the path for us.
Efficiency is up. The rock is saving our mission and our remaining battery life.
The canyon walls are eating our signal. We need a relay, or we'll be blind. Connection restored. The base is watching our telemetry again, which is a relief.
The Martian night is coming, and with it, temperatures that can shatter unprotected steel.
We've cleared the pass. The way to Eden 2 is open and the ground is solid.
We have a radar lock. The markers are still there, standing against the dust.
Life support is green. We have the air and the time to finish this.
Moving a half-ton crate feels like pushing a cardboard box in this gravity.
Power is the lifeblood of this site. Without it, the sensors die in an hour.
From here, the road looks like a lifeline stretching back to the main base. Mapping the radiation is the first step to knowing where we can safely build.
The air is dry, but the trends are stable. Eden 2 is proving its worth today.
The umbilical is secure. It's time to test the road on the way back home. Traveling on rock instead of sand is the difference between a mission and a disaster. The beacons are the stars we follow when the Martian sky turns to orange fog.
The sand is fighting us again. Every meter we gain is a battle against the friction.
We are losing the light. If we get stuck in the dark, recovery would be impossible.
It's a whiteout, but with red dust. We are flying blind on the surface right now.
Stay level. If we roll over here, there's no one coming to pick us up.
I see the base. We're almost home, but the battery is screaming for mercy.
We have the data. Eden 2 is live, and we have a road to get there.
This corridor isn't just a road. It's the foundation for our expansion on Mars. We have proven we can move heavy gear. Now we have to prove we can live there.
One soul on Mars is a lifetime of struggle, but tonight, we sleep knowing the road is open.
The storm didn't break overnight, and we are heading back out into the orange abyss.
Leaving the base during a surge is risky, but the Eden 2 outpost needs its backup power.
This light is a promise that no one will get lost in this canyon again.
Every trip, review.
We are building the nervous system of this planet, one beacon at a time.
The very wind that clears our road can also flip the rover if we aren't careful. We've proven the route works. Now it is about making it a permanent highway.
The outpost survived its first storm. Eden 2 is officially holding its ground. This is the real test. Can the Road 1 handle a fully loaded rover in a storm?
Having these beacons is like having a lighthouse in a sea of red sand.
We've turned a dangerous shortcut into a lifeline. Eden 2 is no longer isolated.
Mars has a heartbeat. If we time our travel with the wind, the planet works for us. This isn't just an exploration anymore. It's the start of a logistics network.
A new day, and the storm is finally losing its grip on the landscape. Initiating Sol 226 mission start sequence.
We're moving the first real supplies today. Eden 2 is becoming a home.
The wind did its job. The road is as clear as a paved highway back on Earth.
Supply run complete. Eden 2 has its first month of life support stored on site.
This is our pantry. It's the difference between a visit and a permanent stay.
We've got a fat pipe now. Eden 2 is talking to the whole world at high speed.
The morning was calm, but the afternoon winds are starting to kick up the dust. The weather is changing fast. We're in for a rough ride back to the main base. This is the storm's heart. If the motors stall here, we are stranded in the dark. We cleared the pass, but the battery is in the red. We need every watt to get home. Lights off, we're gonna have to drive by the heat signatures of the base.
If we stop now, the heater dies and the suit batteries are all we have left. We've got juice. The rover is coming back to life.
We pushed it to the edge, but the road held, and the base is still standing.
Wind scouring efficiency remained at 95%. Road 1 is confirmed as a sustainable route. Next, we discuss the energy crisis and equipment flaws.
The cold is as dangerous as the sand, and we need more heat if we want to survive the winter.
This heater is a game changer. It means we don't have to choose between driving and staying warm.
This is the moment of truth. If we can move the greenhouse, we can move a city.
We're moving a piece of earth today. It's heavy, but the road is waiting.
The road is open, the module is secure, and Mars is finally becoming a place we can live.
Moving this much mass is a delicate dance. One wrong turn and we lose everything. The wind is trying to peel the module off the trailer. We need to get lower.
We are landing the future of this planet. Let's make sure it sits level.
She's on the ground now. Breathing life into the machine. The air we brought is the first air Eden 2 will breathe.
Stepping into the first home we've built outside the main base.
The water is moving. This isn't just a container, it's an ecosystem.
We've planted a flag of life here. Now we just have to keep it breathing.
The road is keeping itself clean. Mars is doing our maintenance for us.
Mission accomplished. The first seed of Eden 2 is planted and protected.
This isn't just dust anymore. It's a global blackout approaching our position. The base we built is failing, but the one we just started is solid.
We need more straps on the water tanks now.
It's full. I can't fit anything else.
Secure it. We're leaving. If the road fails us today, the mission ends here. Keep it straight. If we flip, we die in this dust. Tab 1 is gone. We are the last humans on Mars, and this greenhouse is our world.
If we don't keep these clean, the greenhouse dies in 3 days.
The rock is our shield, but it's also weight over our heads.
It's small, but it's green. It's the most beautiful thing I've ever seen on this rock.
Mars doesn't want us here. It's trying to swallow everything we brought. It's a dark world out there, but in here, we still have the light.
We're washing the poison out of the ground so we can turn it into food.
The storm is alive. It's throwing lightning at us now.
The sun is coming back. It's time to find our road again.
The lights are dim, but they're still there. They didn't go out.
There's nothing left to go back to. Our past is buried in the sand.
Today, we eat from the ground of another world for the first time.
We aren't just surviving here anymore, we're starting to live.
We've been told to stay. Earth just gave us the keys to a new world.
The ground is alive. We've turned the dust into a garden.
We found a way to stay. The road led us home.
We built a home, but the planet isn't done with us yet. Next time, the cliff speaks.